Hello students. Today we will start a new topic. We will learn about some algebraical identities and their uses solving some examples. So let us start some identities. There are three identities. First identity is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first identity. Second identity is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the second identity. By using these three identities, we can solve examples. Third identity is a minus b within a bracket multiply by a plus b. It is also within a bracket equal to a square minus b square. These are three algebraical identities. By using these identities, we can solve examples and exercise. Now take one example. Example number 1. Let us suppose 2x plus 3y whole square. We find its whole square. In this example, we using first identity. Identity number 1 is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. By comparing this here, a equal to 2x and b equal to 3y. Now put the value of a and b in given identity. So in right hand side, a square equal to 2x whole square plus 2 multiply a, here a is 2x and b is 3y plus b square, that means b is 3y, so 3y whole square. Now we can find its square, 2x whole square, that means 2 square, that means 2 multiply by 2 means 2 2s are 4, 2 square equal to 4 and x square is x square. Plus now we multiply all numbers, 2 multiply by 2 means 4 and 4 multiply by 3. So 4 3s are 12. Here 12 and x multiply by y. 12xy plus 3y whole square, that means 3 square, 3 multiply by 3, that means 9. 9 and y square y. This is the expansion of that by using this identity. Now we take some other example. Example 2. Let we suppose using this second identity. Let us suppose 2 upon 3 x minus 6 upon 4 by whole square. This is the example. Now we use second property. Second identity, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here if in the example plus then we use first identity. If here is minus, then we use second property. Similarly, by comparison, a equal to, here a equal to 2 upon 3x and here b equal to 6 upon 4y. by comparing this and this, here a equal to 2 upon 3x and b equal to 6 upon 4y. Putting this value in this identity. Identity number second. Now 2 upon 3x whole square minus 2 multiply by 2 upon 3x multiply 6 upon 4 by plus b equal to 6 upon 4 by whole square. Now here 2 upon 3 x whole square, that means 2 square. 2 square, that means 2 multiply by 2, 2 to the 4 upon 9 3 square, that means 3 ka square. 3 means 3 multiply by 3, that means 3 3 is 9, 9x square. Here if in their numerator and denominator, if two numbers are multiple of same number, we can cut there. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Here 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now again 2 ones are 2. Now multiple of numerator and multiple of all denominators numbers. Here only 2 and 1, 2 twos are 2 and denominator only 1. 2 upon 1 and x and y plus here 6 square, that means 6 multiply by 6. 6 square, 6 6 are 36 upon here 4. 4 multiply by 4, that means 4 4 are 16 by square. So we can find their expression by using this property. Now take some example. Example number 3 by using third property. Let's suppose 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. Here a equal to 2x and b equal to 3. Now using third property is a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Now using this property, putting the value in the given equation, 2x whole square minus 3 whole square equal to 2x whole square, that means 4x square minus 9. This is the answer of this equation. Now we take some more examples by using this property. This is in algebraical form. Now I take a number. Let's suppose 102 whole square. Here this is the only number 102. The 102 is near about number 100. So we can write this 100 plus 2 whole square. This is in the form of first identity. So here a equal to 100 and b equal to 2. Put their values in first identity. Identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 100 whole square plus 2 multiply by 100 multiply by 2 plus 2 whole square. Is that clear? So now 100 square, that means 10,000. Here 100 2 0 and when we multiply 100 multiply by 100, we get 4 zeros. Now this is the number 10,000 plus 2 to the 4, 400 and plus 2 to the 4. Now we add all the numbers. We get 10,404. This is our answer in direct form, easy form, direct form by using this property. Let one more example. There using second property. Let's suppose 99. 99 is also near 100, but 100 minus 1. The value 100 minus 1. We can write 99 is 100 minus 1. Here A equal to 100 and B equal to 1. By using second property is A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So, use this property, you use this identity 100 whole square minus 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. 100 square means 100 multiplied by 100, that means 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. Now we get answer if 1000 minus 200, that means 9800 plus 1. The answer we get 9801. This is our final answer. So we use, by using these three properties, by using these three identities, we can solve our exercise, we can solve our any type of questions like this. So hope you enjoy this video, you hope understand this video. If you understand this video, please kindly subscribe my video, subscribe my channel. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.